In this video you will see how to insert division symbol in Word on MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. It's very easy. Let's get started. So in the first method, press Ctrl Command Spacebar and you will see this small window. Click on this icon to expand the window and under the search bar type div and you will see this division symbol. Click on it. You can see many variations of division symbols here. You can select any variation, just double click on it and the symbol will be inserted. The last method is very easy. What you have to do is just go to the Word option, click on Preferences and under Autocorrect, click on Math Autocorrect and just tick all these options. After ticking these options, you can just type \div and spacebar to insert division symbol on Mac. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen to know more about Microsoft Word on Mac. Like the video, subscribe and don't forget to press that bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.